9th richest politician in the Philippines with declared assets of 474 million pesos and zero liabilities. How did you get this rich?
My name is Bonking, my name is Bonking. I am a little big boy.
Tatayo ako laban sa sinuman na mananakot sa atin para masunod lamang ang gusto nila.
Ato si Bonking, ato si Bonking. I eat 30 times a day.
Tapang at malasakit. Sabi ko, Mayor, yung tapang bagay sa'yo. Pero ako po, ay Mr. Malasakit!
My name is Bonking, my name is Bonking. I am a little big boy.
Sa panahon ni Speaker Martin Romualdez, bumaha at bumagyo ng biyaya